Happy Wicked Wednesday, guys. So I have this 12-day beauty advent calendar that I picked up at Kohl's. I think it's around $20 if I recall. So it gives you a little bit of a sense of what will be inside. All right, so there's an outer plastic sleeve, and then there's even more plastic on the inside, and you can see that it is indeed $20 from Taste Beauty. So let's get this plastic off. I feel like I can already smell something inside. It smells kind of fruity. Okay, so this is Velcro, and that is what it looks like inside. A pink side and a green side. Fold those back, and we have a nice picture of the Emerald City here. Obviously, you could use this as a traditional advent calendar. You could use it to count down to the Wicked movie, or you could use it following Christmas. Okay, so get my handy dandy little spatula out here, and the first item is a rose flavored lip balm. So it has Glinda on the cover there. And it looks like it's going to be a pink lip balm. Does definitely have a rose scent to it. So that is the first item. I don't know if you can see, there's a little friend there on the outside of my window. Hopefully he stays on the outside. Okay, so that is door number 1. Under door number 2, all right, so we have a Defy Gravity. These are quite difficult to get out. I'm sure you could always just take this apart, but that's not quite as much fun, is it? All right, I might have to come back for that one because it's not coming out. Okay, so door number 3 here. Looks like we are getting, okay, so this is a lip gloss. That one comes out pretty easily. And of course we have Elphaba green apple flavored. So a little applicator there. Ooh, quite thin. So that is the gloss next to the balm. Definitely does have a bit of a green apple. I just put some on my lips, and it seems like a pretty basic little lip gloss there. Door number 4. Is this one going to be difficult to get out also? Probably. Okay, so we have a green apple flavored lip gloss. I don't know why they have some in pots and some in tubes. All right, we'll come back for this. But door number 5 is up next. Good thing I have gel polish on, otherwise this would be a challenge. All right, so it looks like we got another lip balm, and this one is mint flavored. So light green and not much color there. Definitely does smell minty. There is the 5th item. Up number 6. All right, not your basic witch. And again, I'm gonna come back for these. Door number 7. So this is a large one here. Okay, so we got some face gems. So these could be fun to apply going, oops, taking the gems right off. They're not in any kind of plastic sleeve, it doesn't look like. So obviously this is not going to be the kind of advent calendar you can reuse. Recycle, okay, so yeah, they should have put this inside a plastic sleeve because the gems are just kind of popping off, as you can see, as I try to remove it and just kind of moving around. So nothing super unique about these, I don't think. They're just pink and green, and I think maybe this one just popped off its adhesive altogether. So those are the face gems. Going on into number 8. Okay, so we have another lip gloss. This one is pink berry flavored. So it looks like we're kind of getting one product for Glinda and one for Elphaba. So it looks like it's going to be kind of the same texture. And yeah, that's going to be a berry flavor or scent. So that is the number 8. Number 9. Another lip balm. I say that like they don't put it on the front. This one is going to be strawberry. So we have a little bit of a different artwork there. And that is the strawberry. It smells pretty decent. Very artificial, but pretty decent. Okay, so that's number 9. And then we're down to the final 3 here. You can see the glue dot from one of those gems I think came off. Okay, so another lip gloss in a little pot. Leave that and come back for it. And then this one, number 11, another lip balm. So a lot of lip balms here. This one is green apple. So yeah, same as this one. I just repeated. Another little lip balm. So that is green apple. And then the final item here, number 12. Oh, okay, this is really cute. So we have a little eyeshadow palette, very, very cheap. I'll tell you that right off the bat. A little brush here that you can use to apply. So this particular eyeshadow palette, it's kind of like sample packaging. It's not even just cheap kind of reusable plastic. It's just, like I said, kind of disposable. You could probably pop these pans out fairly easily, I'm guessing. You might have to use some heat, so don't do it if you're a child, but maybe you get an adult to help you. So, okay, feels decent. And there is the green. So you get kind of a shimmery pink and a green. Not bad quality, actually. So those are the little duos. And the brush isn't really anything super special. If I washed it, maybe it would kind of fluff out a bit, but you can see there's a bit of a issue there with the bristles. But it does have the little Wicked logo, so not bad. All right, let me go grab a wipe. Okay, so there's a piece of tape here that I cut, and as you can see, you can just pull that right out. It makes it easier to recycle. And let's see if I can, yeah, these are much easier to push out this way. And this one is actually kind of popping off. Okay. All right, so this is the strawberry flavored lip gloss. It looks like this one has a bit of shimmer in it. Still pretty sheer though. All right, so that one is a lip gloss, and then I think this one, this is the green apple flavor. Also has shimmer in there. Has almost kind of a like jelly kind of texture. Like if I press in, it feels more solid. It doesn't like feel gooey. That's interesting. All right, so those are 2 lip glosses, and then these are, what are you? Not intended for use in the eye area. So they're not claiming these are eyeshadows anyway. So this is Not Your Basic Witch. Is this like a, like, kind of glitter gel type product. Okay, so you get a little bit of sparkle there. And this one is silver. Same kind of texture as the lip balms, really. They're just kind of like a little bit of glitter suspended in, I don't know, some kind of base. Okay, so that is everything we have. Let's zoom in just a touch. So we have these two lip glosses, these two. Some glitter gel things, little mini palette or duo, 4 lip balms, 2 glosses, the brush that goes with the little duo, and then the glittery gems that are losing all their sparkles. So, do I think this is worth it? So, 12 items for $20. Like, it's never going to be amazing quality at that price point. I think this is best suited for a child. So if you wanted to get your child something to have fun with, where a lot of these items are going to be very like age appropriate because there's not a lot of pigment there. Maybe the eyeshadow duo is more like a fun kind of dress up thing, but everything else, like all the lip products are pretty sheer, and even like the glittery products and the gems, like they could be fun to play around with, but they're not going to be too much. So I wouldn't recommend this for kind of the adult collector unless you just want something kind of cheap and cheerful and you want a lot of lip balms or lip glosses kind of thing, just to throw in your bag and use or whatever, then have at it. You probably won't get a lot of use out of like these products, maybe these, just a little bit. But yeah, if you are an adult and you want some like real makeup, I would definitely recommend checking out the REM or REM collaboration that they did with Wicked. That's Ariana Grande's brand, if you weren't aware. So I would definitely steer you in that direction if you want something that's kind of like real makeup. I wish they had upgraded the packaging on this little duo just a little bit, because I think that could have been really cute. I think I would have been happy to pay maybe $25 just for a little bit of an upgrade in certain areas. So like these don't really do anything for me. Even like maybe a loose glitter would have been better, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's the takeaway here. I know Kohl's has different little sets of lip balms and things, so if you wanted to just pick up one of those instead, now that you know everything that is in this advent calendar, then you can check those out as well. But yeah, that's going to do it for this little video unboxing the advent calendar.